हाय गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। ऑलमोस्ट अब तो गुड आफ्टरनून ही हो जाना चाहिए। इट्स 12:32 PM एंड आज निफ्टी जब बिफोर इट ओपन इट वाजंट लुकिंग लाइक कि इतना पॉजिटिव स्टांस होगा निफ्टी का। आज जब निफ्टी सुबह खुली तो SGX निफ्टी वाज डाउन बाय अबाउट 10 to 11%, 11 point, and but the moment Nifty opened, it just made this big huge candle and then this candle, and after that it is almost for now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. It is basically just going in the horizontal direction, right? Basically it's trying to take support on this 200 moving average. If it takes this support, if it just does not cross it, and then there is a possibility that Nifty should go up at least 150 point from here. But if it crosses, if it just cannot sustain this particular stop that is coming over here in the form of 200 moving average, then Nifty have all the possibility of going down and coming down. At least first stoppage of it will be 9190, and then the next stoppage will be 9150. I'm talking about the futures. So this is how Nifty will be. This is what my prediction is. अगर इसके ऊपर ये अच्छे खासे सपोर्ट मिल जाता है इसको, निफ्टी यहाँ पे अभी तो देखिए इसने इस लाइन को ब्रीच नहीं किया है, इसके नीचे नहीं गई है, तो इसका मतलब अभी भी होल्ड कर रही है और काफी देर से कर रही है। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 कैंडल है, मतलब 3 घंटे से इसी जगह पे निफ्टी है। ठीक है, तो देखते हैं, क्योंकि अभी 130 पे जब यूरोप के मार्केट्स खुलेंगे तब कुछ ज्यादा क्लियर सिनेरियो आएगा और कुछ और रिजल्ट्स वगैरह डिक्लेयर होंगे, उसके बाद हमको एग्जैक्ट पता लगेगा कि क्या है। ऑलराइट, so now let's go back to what's happening our various stocks. So as far as the Marico is concerned, it is a little bit a few shades up, and I'm hoping that in the coming sessions it should take you at least to 307 308 इसको आपको देना चाहिए। ठीक है, so this should give you at least that much so that you are not but I will suggest, जिसने इसको कैश में ले रखा है इसको लेके 1 साल के लिए छोड़ दीजिए, राइट? इसको 1 साल के लिए छोड़ दीजिए। आप इसको हीडलबर्ग लेके 1 साल के लिए छोड़ सकते हैं। आप कई सारे ऐसे स्टॉक्स हैं जिनको कि आप ले करके छोड़ दीजिए। एक ये और स्टॉक मेरे रडार पे है, इट्स कॉल्ड थर्मैक्स। थर्मैक्स भी आप लेके छोड़ दीजिए, आपको अच्छे रिटर्न्स मिलेंगे। आप अभी थोड़ा 1-2 दिन से ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, बट सी this is just crossed, like this has made this head and shoulder pattern and it's just crossed and taken a support on the 50 moving average. And abhi ye is jagah pe khada hua hai yahan pe, and I have a feeling it should go up. It should really go up within couple of days, or like the moment Nifty's direction is a bit more positive, then it should go up unless it breaches this. Like see, there is a possibility, since MACD is crossing from top to the bottom and RSI is also on a very critical mode. तो अगर ये टच करके ऊपर चला जाता है, then it will give you a good run up. It will give you a good run up till the point at least 11136 तक आपको लेके जाएगा। इस जगह से कम आपको 15% का रिटर्न मिलेगा। बट अगर इसको ब्रीच कर देता है, अगर नीचे चला जाता है, 10 मूविंग एवरेज से नीचे चला जाता है, then this will come down to 900. तब भी ये आपको करीब 10% का लॉस देगा। फिर आप यहाँ पे इसको लॉन्ग कर सकते हैं, राइट? डाउनवर्ड जो इसका मोमेंटम है वो एटलीस्ट इस पॉइंट से 15% नीचे है और अपवर्ड भी इस पॉइंट से 15% ऊपर है। तो यू कैन वेट फॉर अ डे और 2-3 days and then you can take a call. How do you want to do it? अगर नीचे जाता है तो इस जगह का वेट करिए, सपोर्ट मिले इसको या 50 मूविंग एवरेज पे या 200 मूविंग एवरेज पे, देन ले सकते हैं। और अगर यहाँ से ये ऊपर चल देता है नेक्स्ट 2-3 days में, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली बाय इट। देन लेट्स गो बैक। जो मेरा स्टॉक है फॉर द नेक्स्ट सीरीज विच इज मे सीरीज, नॉट दिस इज 1 day ग्राफ, राइट? I am pretty much hopeful that Ashoka Leyland should give us a good return in the month of May. So we'll wait. Abhi to these RSI and MACD, nothing is in our favor. But if we can catch up, we would be able to catch up at the lowest point. So Ashoka Leyland will be my stock for the next series. Then we have, people were asking me, what are the stocks here today? The Hubtown is up by another, like we talked about it over here, 94.95. Today it is at 122.22, right? which is a very, very good run-up that it has given you. Even Bike Hospitality has given a good run-up, and today I think morning it made a high of 211, 212, right? It made a good hike in the morning. It went up to almost 212. So that was Bike Hospitality. And then let's talk about, a few more stocks that I have figured out for you people. And out of them was, one was CUB. City Union Bank. पता नहीं क्यों मैंने उसको last video में Central Union Bank बोला था, but City Union Bank. So we talked about it when this fell from a certain height. यहाँ खड़ा हुआ था, इस जगह पे मैंने आपको बोला था 148 point something था, और आज ये 152 पे है, and I am pretty much hopeful that it should go up and give you a good run up till up to this point 160 or so. So I am hopeful. I am pretty much hopeful, but again it goes quite a bit to how Nifty moves. And then of course Jet Airways is down because I told it long back, and today is not a day of talking about Jet Airways. And then let's see what's happening in other few stocks that we did talk about. I talked about Cyient, a few days back. Cyient is over here. In one day, now it is a buy from me. I will be buying this stock, Cyient. Now Cyient opened, see, yesterday it closed at 483 and it gap opened at 491. Now I'm sure this stock is ready to move. Those who want to buy in positional trades, they can buy a few points up and down to chalta rehta hai, right? If it doesn't reach 486 or 483, then it should definitely go up. Aaj abhi matlab maybe if you want, you can wait a few more days for this 10 moving average to cross, but this is a fundamentally strong company. With respect to the other technology companies like Infosys or TCS, this is pretty much decently placed as far as H1B visa is concerned, as far as all other their various other projects are concerned, and that the order book is pretty much strong. So that was Cyient. Today I'm giving you Cyient. If you feel that Nifty may go down in a few days, you can wait for this 10 moving average to cross, but this is a good buy. This is what I really want to suggest. And if we look into its what kind of a target can we expect in the near future, we can at least expect जो हमारा अपना target होना चाहिए, it should be around 540 definitely. Can you see from where it has returned back? So 550, 540 is our near term target, which is about good 12 to 15%. Okay, so this is what I'm giving you today. Cyient is my I did tell you a few days back, and I'm today confirming that we will buy. I told you when it was about 480 or so. Okay, so that is a buy from my side. Now let's see what's happening here. In Voltamp has drastically gone up. It's see 1304. हमने 990 पे इसकी बात की थी. Look at it. See how what a run up it has taken. What a run up it has taken. It's so beautiful. And so is many other stocks that we did talk about. I did talk about the Apollo Tyres. Apollo Tyres has also done well, right? Apollo Tyres has also done well, right? So this is one day graph Apollo Tyre ka. Let's see what's happening in 15 minutes. 15 minutes also look pretty decent and nice, right? Willing to go up. So this is also a good buy that we have, and my target for Apollo Tyres will remain about 240 or 250, right? And then Marico is doing fine. I mean, if there is a somehow it has lost its momentum, the kind of momentum I expected, but if we keep it for about 15 days or 20 days, I'm sure it will give us a good return. But those who buy in future, there is an issue with them because there is an expiry and stuff like that. But otherwise, Marico is a good stock which you can buy and keep it for your children, and I'm sure they will really have good, they will really reap good benefit from it. Okay? So these were a few stocks, and then we come to the Dr. Reddy. What's happening in Dr. Reddy? Dr. Reddy, I don't know, somehow it was showing a pretty good stance on the other few days, and then again it is somehow not being able to hold itself. but I still have a feeling कि in this month itself it should be able to cross, it should be able to touch 2774 at least, whatever hike it has made about a couple of days or few days back. So I'm hoping that much. Let's see how it goes. But as far as my stance on Dr. Reddy is concerned, it has quite a lot changed. Okay, so now Nifty को फिर से एक बार देखते हैं before I close. And Nifty looks as if it is still trying to hold this support. See this candle, suddenly the Nifty went down and again it has caught up. So we'll have to wait for the correct direction. I mean, we'll have to see whether it can hold itself above this line or not. अगर इस 200 moving average के ऊपर अपने आप को hold करेगी, then Nifty has quite a lot of possibility of going up, right? But see, MACD is crossing from up to down. RSI may also go down, so there can be a bit of profit booking. So let's see, है ना? अभी कुछ पता नहीं है क्योंकि जा रहा है नीचे, फिर ऊपर आ रहा है, फिर जा रहा है, फिर नीचे आ रहा है. And before we go close, there is a TCS result today. So let's see what's happening in TCS. What can we gauge from here by looking at the graph? ठीक है? तो इसमें 15 minutes में तो कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, but let's see the 5 minutes graph. 5-minute graph में it is just on a verge, right? अगर ये अच्छे से क्रॉस हो गई ऊपर, right, then it has a possibility of going up. 10 moving average अगर और 50 moving average क्रॉस हो जाती है, then there is a possibility of going up. But अगर जैसे suppose थोड़ा 1 घंटे बाद इसने resistance लेके नीचे आ गई, then I have a feeling the TCS should come down at least 30 points down from this point, 30 to 35 points. It should come down from this point. Right, but abhi there is no clarity. As far as Infosys is concerned, I was looking at the Infosys also. Let's see what's happening in Infosys. Infosys is also almost, let's see the futures of Infosys. Infi is also in 15 minutes. It's showing this, a kind of resistance that it is experiencing, right? And in fact, this was much more clearer in 5 minutes. It was much more clearer in 5 minutes. It was almost, as if it's going to fall down, right? It's fallen quite a bit point, but मुझे लगता है कि इसको और थोड़ा सा नीचे जाना चाहिए. So this was Infosys, but one more stock that I was looking at today was Reliance. Reliance में भी कुछ ऐसे ही लग रहा था मुझे कि इसको नीचे जाने का mindset है. ये Reliance है. Slowly, gradually, it is slipping in the downward direction. See here, right? Over here, MACD crossed from top, RSI नीचे है, and the stock is also planning to go down, right? So लग रहा है मुझे कि नीचे जाएगा, but देखते हैं, कुछ कह नहीं सकते. Reliance is a very very volatile stock. So क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता, we can't say as of now. One has to be very very careful. So we'll wait and watch. But just to conclude, let's see Nifty. What is Nifty's stance right now? What is Nifty's position right now? And it is in 15 minutes, it's still holding the support. So anyway, there is nothing clear today, but my stock today is Cyient, and of course I had given you CUB I gave you, which is the City Union Bank, about 3-4 days back, and which is doing pretty much okay. So all the best guys, do well, all the best. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye.